Hi guys, you are welcome in my video. I am your host Wisdom Rider, and today I will teach you how to install Android Studio. First, go to official Android Studio website. And download setup from here. But I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it now. I have setup file in my PC. And from here your installation process starts. Just follow me and you will be done. It is in your wish if you want to download virtual device or not. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share so that you can see my upcoming new videos.